per period. Wow. Wow. Not what we were going for at all, huh? Good morning. Good morning. So it is, as you saw, Tuesday. Hold on, child. Hold on. Today is Tuesday, March 21st at 8:50 a.m. I went to the gym this morning, showered, I'm dressed, I'm here, I'm ready for class. Class starts at 9 a.m. Yeah, I'm just like setting up my little ghetto setup. Today, we're doing review because we have a test on Thursday in person. I'm probably gonna just fill in the parts that I haven't filled in. You'll see, I'll just be chilling.
As much as possible.
It's 11:51 a.m. and this is our last break. We usually break like 10 minutes at from 9 to 1. That's how long the class is. So 9:50, 10:50, and then 11:50, and we're currently on our last break. We will see where today goes because I'm really in the mood for some chipotle. Ooh, I want some chipotle. Or I might cook. It depends on what's downstairs to cook with. I either want chipotle or breakfast. But yeah, honestly, just chilling. Like, I've been hard at work. You see me? I got me a little scarf going. Yeah.
Every time I sip on cocaine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at herself cause she can't leave me alone. Gossip and messages, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get my vulnerable when I can feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
I don't know. I'm vlogging. Don't yell too much for the vlog, please.
I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to hear. Yeah. I've been trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you and Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking.
Cause tonight will be the night.
king's daughter was locked away.
Hi guys. So it's currently 6:29 on Thursday morning. Today's the 23rd, I'm pretty sure. And last you saw me, I was, I don't know, I think we were watching a movie or something. The princess with, what's her name? Joey King. It was, not my favorite. It was a solid, like, at first I was gonna give it like a 6 out of 10, but it ended up getting like a strong and generous 3 out of 10 for me, because it just didn't, like, it just wasn't giving. 6:32 now. It's gonna take me 32 minutes. I'm gonna head there now.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. 'Cause everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything. No one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. 'Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, yeah. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. It's been so long, I've had this feeling that we could be everything you've ever wanted in your fantasy. I won't push too hard to break your heart, 'cause my love's sincere, not like any other girl.
That's actually recorded right there.
Hi, my name is Jess. Welcome to the vlog.
Wrong vlog, it's over here.
Yes.
Welcome to the vlog. And let me tell you something.
Let them know. Intro.
Hello. The vlog's over
I'm
there.
Sarah.
Oh,
I'll probably include that in there too, so to make it juicy.
Miss Strawberry Shortcake.
Like, just SPF in general.
I must send word to Kahoot in Denmark.
That's not possible.
It is my husband's decision.
But in his absence, it's my words, that is the law.
You're making it.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Wait, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect.
This is where I'm at. What time is it? This is where I'm at right now. Still watching this, and Keisha is actually looking really good. Cat. It looks good, Cat. I wanted these pictures. And you're the artiste in the group, so you can always just mouth them. So it's 11 o'clock, and this is how far we got. It's a little splotchy, but it's literally 11 o'clock on the dot. And I'm gonna redo the entire background. But look at Kermit looking like Kermit. Yeah, we did that. We ate. Don't look at my toes. But it looks good. I like it. And these are gonna go in my new room. So moving vlog coming soon. And this is the inspiration. So pretty. Love it. Look at her face. Look at his face. All right, yep. That's where we are right now. And I'm going to sleep. Good night.